Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, Google Autofill is off. If you wish to switch it on, click on the same, now gray sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!